Have you ever wondered why some people stay motivated no matter how hard life gets while others quit at the first obstacle? Most people never make it, not because they aren't capable, but because they give up way too soon. Let me tell you the truth that almost no one shares. Motivation is not about luck. There's a hidden code inside the minds of successful people. Listen, motivation is not magic. It's not some invisible energy that falls from the sky. It's a decision you make every single day. And when you understand that, everything changes. We need to break a myth. Motivation is not about feeling like doing things. If you wait to feel motivated to build a great life, you've already lost. Real motivation comes from something way stronger: purpose and emotional discipline. When you know why you're doing something, and you train your brain to act even when you don't feel like it, that's when you become unstoppable. Once you cross that point of no return, there's nothing that can stop you. By the end of this video, you'll discover how to stay motivated no matter what life throws at you. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Why do people quit? It's simple. They expect it to feel good all the time. Listen, the problem with motivation is that people think it should feel good. Whenever you talk about pursuing a dream or a goal, everyone nods along, eyes shining with excitement. But the truth is, the path to achieving those dreams is rarely a smooth one. It's paved with challenges, failures, self-doubts, and moments when you just want to give up. It's supposed to demand growth, push your limits, and test your resolve. This is where the magic happens. This is where you transform. So if you're feeling uncomfortable, if you're facing obstacles, know that you're on the right track. Embrace the discomfort. Use it as fuel to propel you forward. Remember, the greatest rewards are often found at the end of the hardest journeys. You begin to question your choices. You may think you want to be a successful businessman, but the moment it feels challenging, you doubt your abilities. The key to staying motivated lies in your ability to control your doubts. Remember, success is never guaranteed, but your ability to push through challenges, to ignore those doubts and keep moving forward, that's what sets you apart. The secret is to listen to your body's whispers, not its screams. When it tells you to rest, you rest. But when it tells you to push a little more, you do that too. This balance is what leads to true success. In the pursuit of dreams, it's easy to get lost in the labyrinth of day-to-day living. You might be so focused on paying bills, solving immediate problems, or meeting short-term deadlines that the grand vision, the why behind your efforts, begins to fade. It's crucial to regularly revisit that vision, to remind yourself of the dreams you're chasing and the impact you want to make. Another powerful strategy is to connect with your purpose. Ask yourself, why is this important to me? How will it affect my life? How will it affect the lives of others? Listen, a major mistake many people make is expecting constant motivation. But here's the truth. Motivation is not a constant state. It ebbs and flows. Some days you'll wake up bursting with energy and ideas. Other days, getting out of bed will be a challenge. The trick is to learn how to ride the waves of motivation. On those high days, seize the opportunities, work hard, and make the most of your energy. But on the low days, that's when your discipline kicks in. That's when you fall back on your training, your past successes, and the bigger vision that drives you. Remember, it's not the intensity that matters most. It's the consistency. It's showing up day after day, no matter how you feel. Celebrate your wins, no matter how insignificant they might look to others. You don't celebrate small wins. Imagine running a marathon. Would you only celebrate crossing the finish line? Of course not. You would likely mark milestones throughout the race. maybe every 5 kilometers or so. Why? Because acknowledging those smaller victories keeps you going. It gives you a sense of achievement and reminds you of why you started in the first place. This same principle applies to almost everything in life. Breaking down big goals into smaller ones and celebrating each small win is a powerful way to maintain motivation. Each small win creates a positive feedback loop, reinforcing your belief in your ability to succeed. Remember, it's the small wins that add up to create the big success. And here's the icing on the cake, a bonus tip that could change your perspective forever. You're not here to live a comfortable life. You are here to grow, to evolve. And growth demands discomfort. True motivation doesn't come from hype. It comes from building mental toughness. The path to success is rarely a comfortable one. It's paved with challenges, failures, and moments that test your resilience. This is where most people falter. They quit when life gets hard. But here's the truth. Life is not meant to be easy. It's meant to be lived to its fullest potential. And that potential includes experiencing the full spectrum of emotions, both positive and negative. Embracing the discomfort, the challenges, and the failures is an essential part of the journey. It's where you learn, adapt, and grow. Remember, it's not about avoiding the hard times. It's about thriving in them. So the next time you face a challenge, don't shy away from it. Embrace it. Welcome it. For it is in these moments that you become stronger, wiser, and more resilient. If this video made you realize you've been holding yourself back, we've got another video that's perfect for you. Are you ready to put these lessons into action and start seeing real results? Don't wait. Your journey to success starts today.